Welcome, I'm Andrew,
I'm Jamie,
and we're from Plant-Based Planet.
and today we're going to be making apple cinnamon oats.
Start by washing your apples with water.
Then you cut or dice the apple how you like it. A single bowl only needs 1/2. As you can see, this recipe is pretty simple.
First, put a 1/2 cup of oats into your bowl, and then add a 1/2 cup of milk in. Next, add a 1/2 cup of yogurt and top it off with the apples.
Add toppings to your liking. We added local honey and cinnamon.
Lastly, let it sit in the fridge overnight.
Thanks and join us next time!
Bye!